G'day guys, I thought I might try an out of the packet pick on this 334 C45, pretty sure it is. Yeah, close shackle for Leon's vice versa challenge. So I've got a few of these still sitting here, so I thought I might just do an out of the packet one. No. I'll probably give this one away at some stage. Okay, so you can see it's still sealed. So if I do give this one away, don't think it's not new. It is just open for this cause. Okay. We have a nice shiny closed shackle Lockwood. Okay, that's the bitting. I'll check and see if it works first. Yep. We all know these contain acid spools, so let's see if I can pick this left-handed. It's definitely going to be awkward. I'll get some light. I'll go with my nice snug tension wrench. And you focus properly. Focus. Kinda. Oh well. Hope you can see it alright. That's how I like my tension wrench. Just you can touch it and it barely wants to fall out. Nice snug fit. I'll go for Peterson gem. Light tension. It's definitely tricky picking with the opposite hand. This is feedback. That was pin 2. Oh, got it. Sweet. I was just about to grab a different bloody pick. I'll take that for sure. Alright, so now to gut it left-handed. I suppose do everything left-handed. Okay, the security pin, no, anti-drill pin, sorry. Oh, jeez, that's tight. Just grab a pin tray down. Ah, bastard. This isn't easy, I tell you. Good challenge you got going, Leon. Quite enjoying it. Okay, so follower. Okay, so let's see, 5 pins. Spread that all in there. The anti-drill pins. Standard Lockwood tapered pins. After all, is brand new. So alright. Stay in the tray where. Okay, so that's the front. Alright, we have a spool. Spool. Oop, that one just shot right on my lap. Okay, so all acid spools as you'd expect them. Alright, I don't know what time I done that in, but yeah. Yeah, you can see they're all standard Lockwood acid alloy pins. So anyway guys, hope you enjoyed. Yeah, take care, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Cheers.